let's learn the names of snakes. Are you ready? Let's get started. This is a King Cobra. The King Cobra is the largest venomous snake in the world, can exceed 5 meters in length, is greenish-brown in color, and is known for its ability to stand and lift a third of its body. This is a reticulated python. The reticulated python is the largest python in the world, has a beautiful netted scale pattern, can reach more than 8 meters in length, and lives in the tropical forests of Southeast Asia. This is a red-tailed green snake. The red-tailed green snake is a slender, bright green snake with a striking red tail, living in tropical forest trees, and is known to be non-venomous and very agile. This is a banded krait. The banded krait is a venomous snake with a striking black and yellow striped pattern, is active at night, and is one of the most venomous species of Asian cobra. This is a ground snake. Ground snakes are small, non-venomous snakes that live in the ground or under rocks, are brown to brick red in color, and are known to be docile and active at night. This is an emerald tree boa. The emerald tree boa is an emerald green snake with a white pattern on its back, lives in the trees of the Amazon rainforest, and hangs coiled from branches when resting. This is a velvet sea snake. The velvet sea snake is a venomous sea snake with a slender body covered in smooth, bluish-black scales, lives in tropical waters, and breathes partly through its skin. This is a golden Javan snake. The golden Javan snake is a shiny golden snake from Java, with a flexible and agile body, non-venomous, and often found in damp forest and plantation areas. This is a midnight black snake. The midnight black snake is a shiny, jet black snake with a slender and slippery body, active at night, and known to be calm and non-venomous to humans. This is a Burmese python. The Burmese python is a large python from Southeast Asia, dark brown in color, can reach a length of more than 5 meters, and is known to be strong and non-venomous. This is a rainbow snake. The rainbow snake is a beautiful water snake with shiny rainbow-colored scales, a long, muscular body, non-venomous, and lives in rivers or swamps in the southeastern United States. This is a coral snake. The coral snake is a small, highly venomous snake with a striking red, yellow, and black color pattern, living in tropical forests, and known to have deadly neurotoxin venom. This is a prairie rattlesnake. The prairie rattlesnake is a venomous rattlesnake native to North America, greenish-brown in color with dark markings, known for its aggressive nature and vibrating its tail as a warning of danger. This is a bamboo snake. The bamboo snake is a bright green snake that often camouflages itself among bamboo stalks, has moderate venom, and actively hunts small prey at night in tropical forests. This is a Malayan krait. The Malayan krait is a deadly venomous snake with a striking black and white striped pattern, active at night and found in Southeast Asia, especially in humid areas. This is a python. Pythons are large, non-venomous snakes that kill their prey with powerful constrictions, live in tropical forests, have beautiful scale patterns, and are known to grow to several meters long. This is a copperhead. The copperhead is a moderately venomous snake native to North America, copper-brown in color with an hourglass-shaped pattern, and often camouflaged in the dry foliage of the forest. This is a black mamba. The black mamba is a very fast and deadly venomous snake from Africa, dark gray in color, with a jet black mouth capable of moving up to 20 kilometers per hour, and very aggressive. This is a rat snake. Rat snake is a non-venomous snake that eats mice and small animals. Its body is long and agile, brown or green in color, and is beneficial to the agricultural ecosystem. This is a horned viper. The horned viper is a venomous snake with horn-like protrusions above its eyes, a thick, sandy-patterned body, and lives in the dry deserts of North Africa and the Middle East. This is a gaboon viper. The gaboon viper is a large, venomous snake native to Africa, with beautiful leaf-like scale patterns, the longest fangs in the world, and a powerful, fast-acting venom. This is a bamboo pit viper. Bamboo pit viper is a venomous green snake with a slender body, lives in trees and bamboo, has heat sensor pits on the head to detect prey at night. This is a green anaconda. The green anaconda is the largest snake in the world by weight, lives in South American waters, is olive green with black spots, and kills prey with a powerful coil. This is a yellow anaconda. The yellow anaconda is a large snake from South America, golden yellow with a striking black pattern, lives in swamps and rivers, and kills prey with a strong coil. This is a rattlesnake. The rattlesnake is a venomous snake native to the Americas that has a rattle at the end of its tail as a warning of danger, is brown with markings, and its venom attacks the nervous system.